Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Airbus and Voyageur sign first Canadian order for U030 Flexrotor tactical ISTAR drone. Airbus Helicopters and Voyageur Aviation have signed an agreement for the first Canadian purchase order of the Airbus U030 Flexrotor uncrewed aerial system. The contract, signed at the Farnborough International Airshow, makes Voyageur the platform's official launch customer in Canada. The order introduces a tactical vertical takeoff and landing UAS unmanned aircraft system to the Canadian market at a time when operators are seeking longer endurance surveillance and reconnaissance systems. It follows a memorandum of understanding signed by Airbus and Voyageur at CANSEC in May 2026 to support Canada's defence objectives. This purchase represents a significant advancement in Voyageur's ISTAR strategy and an important first for the Canadian market, said Corey Cousineau, president of Voyageur. As the first Flexrotor operator in Canada, Voyageur is well positioned to introduce and operationalize this new technology within the realities of Canada's operating environment. Voyageur's long history of aircraft operations, maintenance, training, and sustainment expertise provides a solid foundation to support the safe and effective operation of this new technology. We look forward to offering our clients with a rapidly deployable and mission-ready ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance solution anywhere in Canada or beyond. Airbus said the U030 Flexrotor is designed for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance missions across military, parapublic and commercial sectors. The platform is built for expeditionary operations from land or sea, with a small launch and recovery footprint. Bringing the Flexrotor into Canada with an experienced operator like Voyageur underscores Airbus' commitment to delivering next-generation tactical capabilities to the region, said Dwayne Charette, president of Airbus Helicopters in Canada. As operational requirements continue to evolve, operators need systems that deliver greater reach, persistence, and situational awareness. Flexrotor's advanced design and its potential to support crewed-uncrewed teaming represents a critical shift in how complex ISTAR missions can be executed. We are proud to support Voyageur as they introduce this proven capability to meet Canada's evolving operational requirements. The U030 Flexrotor has a maximum launch weight of 25 kilograms, or 55 pounds, and offers more than 12 hours of operational endurance in standard configurations. Airbus said it can conduct fully autonomous launch and recovery from a 3.7 by 3.7 meter area, or 12 by 12 feet. The company said those characteristics make the system suited to Canada's large land and maritime operating areas. Its endurance and expeditionary design are intended to support missions in demanding environments where reach, persistence and rapid deployment are important. Airbus said the Flexrotor has already been used in harsh, high-threat and GPS-denied environments. The system can carry electro-optical payloads and advanced sensors for missions including Arctic ice navigation, forest fire surveillance, infrastructure monitoring, and law enforcement. For Voyageur, the agreement adds a new ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capability built around deployability, sustainment, and Canadian operating experience. For Airbus, the order establishes the U030 Flexrotor's first customer in Canada and extends the company's uncrewed systems offering into a market shaped by vast geography and broad mission demands. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.